For sheathing substrates, apply the Dryvit grid tape along all joints in the sheathing, as well as inside corners, outside corners, and exposed edges at terminations that will not be covered with Dryvit Aqua Flash. Center the Dryvit grid tape on the sheathing joints and edges, with the pressure-sensitive adhesive backing in contact with the sheathing surface. Press into position with hand pressure until adhesion is achieved. Apply a layer of backstop NT texture over the Dryvit grid tape and spot all fastener heads. Allow to dry for a minimum of 2 hours or until dry to the touch. Using a stainless steel trowel, apply a continuous coating of backstop NT texture material onto the entire surface. Using the appropriate nap roller, apply the backstop NT smooth over the entire wall surface to a uniform continuous film. Backstop NT smooth can also be applied to the wall using a hopper gun or texture spray equipment and backrolled. See application instructions for more information. Spray material to a uniform continuous film. For specifications requiring a vapor barrier, backstop NT VB shall be used. Apply a layer of backstop NT VB over the Dryvit grid tape and spot all fastener heads. Allow to dry for a minimum of 2 hours or until dry to the touch. Using a stainless steel trowel, apply a continuous coating of backstop NT VB texture material onto the entire surface. Allow to dry until firm to the touch. Apply a second pass of backstop NT VB in the same manner as the first, achieving a uniform continuous film.